When it's time to upgrade the windows in your Clinton Township home, you want a solution that balances style, performance, and value. Among the many window options available, double-hung windows stand out as the top replacement choice for homeowners in the area. With their timeless design and practical benefits, these windows not only enhance the look of your home but also improve comfort and efficiency year-round. Below, we'll explore the top reasons why double-hung windows are the best investment for Clinton Township residents. Timeless design that fits any home. One of the most appealing aspects of double-hung windows is their classic style. They feature two operable sashes that slide vertically, offering a balanced, symmetrical appearance that complements both traditional and modern homes. Whether you own a charming colonial, a mid-century ranch, or a newer build, double-hung windows blend seamlessly with the architecture. In a community like Clinton Township, where curb appeal matters, these windows instantly elevate the look of your property while maintaining a timeless aesthetic. Easy operation and flexibility. Functionality is another reason homeowners love double-hung windows. Both the top and bottom sashes can open, giving you greater control over ventilation. Want to let in fresh air without worrying about kids or pets? Open the top sash and keep the bottom closed. On cool days, open both for natural airflow. Modern double-hung windows also feature smooth sliding tracks and tilt-in sashes, making them incredibly easy to operate and clean. No ladders required for second-story windows. Energy efficiency for Michigan's climate. Michigan's weather can be unpredictable, with cold winters and humid summers. That's why energy-efficient windows are a must in Clinton Township. High-quality double-hung windows are built with insulated glass, weather stripping, and advanced framing materials to minimize drafts and reduce heat transfer. This means your home stays warmer in winter, cooler in summer, and your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard. The result? Lower utility bills and year-round comfort. Enhanced safety features. Safety and security are top concerns for any homeowner. Double-hung windows are designed with secure locking mechanisms that provide peace of mind. Many models also allow the sashes to be opened partially and locked in place, so you can enjoy ventilation while still keeping your home secure. This makes them a smart choice for families who want both fresh air and protection. Low maintenance and durability. Nobody wants windows that demand constant upkeep. Fortunately, double-hung windows are designed for easy maintenance. The tilt-in feature allows you to clean both sides of the glass from inside your home, saving time and hassle. Additionally, today's windows are made with durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or treated wood that resist warping, cracking, and rotting. With proper installation, you can expect your double-hung windows to last for decades. Increased home value. Replacing your old windows isn't just about comfort, it's also an investment in your property. Double-hung windows are a popular choice among homebuyers, meaning they can boost your home's resale value. Prospective buyers appreciate the combination of style, efficiency, and functionality these windows offer, making your home more attractive on the market. Customization options. Every home is unique, and double-hung windows can be customized to match your style. From grid patterns and frame colors to energy-efficient glass packages, you can tailor your windows to fit your design vision. Whether you prefer a modern look or a traditional touch, there's a double-hung option to suit your needs. Final thoughts. When you consider their versatility, energy efficiency, and enduring style, it's easy to see why double-hung windows are Clinton Township's best replacement choice. They check all the boxes: beauty, performance, safety, and value. If you're ready to transform your home with windows that make a lasting difference, double-hung windows are a smart investment you'll enjoy for years to come.